I'm Jan. I'm from Antwerp in Belgium, and I'm a full-time Upledger therapist. What I liked is that all the works, or rather all the techniques I learned were very mild, very soft, very progressive. So no invasion, no induction, no aggressivity, and that's what I like in the work. And for me personally, I learned a lot about the language, the professional language that is used by osteopathic colleagues. So it will help me to better understand what they write. Sometimes a client comes with the paper they brought, and then I have to study myself for some time before I know what it's all about. So this is very valuable for me, to be able to read a report that I know what it talks about. It's like learning a language. Yeah.